So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create beautiful and new style of particle animation with using Trapcode plugin. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a new composition, this one. And guys, duration I use 20 second and composition name take anything and press OK. Yeah. And next one guys, I take new solid layer and layer name form. Yeah. Select and this time I apply this one, form plugin, this one. Yeah. And fit to 100% check. Yeah. Okay. So guys, go to here, base form and use OBJ model and click on OBJ. Guys, you can take any one shape, but I like this time this one sphere. I like this one and press OK. Yeah. And guys, go to here particles and feather. I like 0. Yeah. And size like 1. Yeah. Right. Okay. So now guys, I take blue color. Yeah. And yeah, see guys, that's my base model. And now second one, again solid layer, and this time I take particle. Yeah guys, select this particle and again Trapcode plugin and use particular, this one. Yeah. And guys, go to 3 second and shift layer like this. Yes. Right. Okay, preview. Yeah. Okay, so guys, go to emitter and same emitter type. I like this one, OBJ model, and choose your model. Same guys, sphere, this one, and press OK. Yeah. And guys, particles I like 2000. Yes. And guys, go to velocity. Velocity I like 10. Yeah. Right. See. Okay, so now guys, I go to particle layer, this one, particle, and guys, feather I like 0 and size, this one I like 2. Yes, see. Okay, so guys, now I change color. So set color to use overlife and color overlife change. Guys, see, that's my presets, but this time I like this one, blue shade. Yes. And yeah, good. And play. Yes. Right. Okay, so now guys, go to here, physics and air, and go to turbulence field. Guys, see, that's my effect size. Effect size like 10. Yes. And play. And guys, also position change randomly like 50. Yes. And go to back and play. Yeah, really good. Okay, so now guys, I apply glow effect. So go to effect and preset and type glow. Select and apply on here. Yes, really good. Okay, so guys, threshold like 50 and radius like 50. Yeah, really good. See. And now guys, that's my second layer. And guys, create third one. So select this particle and Control D and rename like particle 1. Yes. And guys, select this particle 1 layer and go to emitter. And this time guys, I increase velocity like 20. Yeah, 20 is good. And guys, now I apply star effect. So select this layer and this time apply star glow effect, this one. Yes. And guys, presets change, I like this one, cold heaven. Yeah, beautiful. And guys, go to here, boost light I like 10. Yeah, good. Right, see guys. And go to back and play. Guys, that's take little bit time because that's so much heavy particles. Okay, so now guys, you can increase glow like 2. Yeah, 1 is good. Okay, so now next one guys, select this particle layer 1 and duplicate Control D. Yeah, that's my particle 2, right? Okay, so guys, go to here. That's my physics. Actually, go to emitter and velocity. I like 200. Yes, see, that's my velocity, right? Okay, so guys, now go to physics here, physics and air turbulence and increase size. Size is good. Position, guys, double like 100. Yeah, and next one guys, go to aux system and emit to use continuously. Yeah, see, right? Okay, so guys, I change size like 1. Yeah, see, right? Okay, and guys, particle seconds like 100. Yes, beautiful. See guys, that's my particles, right? Okay, so guys, little bit increase this velocity, this one particle second like 200. Yeah, good. And guys, feather I like 0. And guys, I change color, use overlife and color to take this one same blue shade. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful particles, right? Okay, so now guys, I change star glow setting. So go to here, star glow, and see length guys 0.5. Yeah, and guys, boost light decrease like 1. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful particles, right? And go to back and play fit to 100%. Yeah, see, right? Okay, so now and see guys, select this particle 2 layer and guys, go to here like this. Yeah, right, like 1 second. I go to 1 second. Yeah, and guys, select this one. That's my particle layer and increase size like this. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, that's it. My particle is finished. Now I create beautiful background. So guys, take new solid layer and use BG background and select, go to down and use ramp, gradient ramp, apply. Yeah, and guys, I take dark blue color, dark blue and little bit lighter. Yeah, see, right? See guys, that's my background. Okay, so now guys, I take optical flare light. So light, layer name and select this effect, video copilot and use optical flare. Yeah, and click on option and guys, preset browser, take any light like this one. I like this one. Yeah, and press OK. Yeah, guys, you can change also light color. I like blue color. Yeah, and press OK. And guys, change mode, use add and go to on left side. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, select this light and duplicate, Control D and select this optical flare light and go on right side. Yes, see guys, that's my beautiful particles effect and beautiful background, right? Okay, so guys, now I create camera movement animation. So guys, fit to 100% and I take camera. Yeah, and preset 35mm is good. And next one, I take null object. Yeah, so guys, select this null and create 3D and select this camera and connect with null object. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select this null and press R, rotation and go to 0 frame. Yeah, and guys, see, that's my Z rotation like this. Guys, decrease this resolution and create rotation like this. Yeah, okay, so go to 0 and take full. Guys, X rotation check and go to last one, 20 second, and go on here and take 1. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, play. Actually guys, go to last one and this time take -1. Yeah, and again 0 frame and play. Yes, see guys, that's my rotation effect, right? So stop and go on here like this. Yes, beautiful. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final animation is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.